Welcome to the OrderEm tutorial. This video will help you set up the buy one get one feature to promote your business and engage your customers. You can set up these offers in just a few simple clicks. Log into your OrderEm account and go to My Marketing section under your business name in the left side tree structure. Select BOGO from the drop-down menu. On the BOGO offers page, select the desired business location for which you want to activate the offer. Click Add New Offer in the box below. Name your BOGO offer, and turn the active status to Yes on the right-hand side. Choose the categories or items that the BOGO applies to. To do this, choose the quantity and the category or items that a customer must buy in order to receive this promotion. If your BOGO category or items are of different prices, you have the provision to set the value of the Get categories or items to be less than that of the Buy categories or items. Now add an image and set a custom message to represent your BOGO promotion. You can select the image from your menu or you can upload a new image. Finally, at the bottom, select the days the BOGO is applicable for and hit the Save button to make it available for customers to use. The BOGO will now display on the business page of your Munchem website under the Offers tab. Your customers can click on Offers to view the offer on the pop-up screen. If you want to view or edit your BOGO, you can do that from the BOGO settings page. Click on Edit button to display the details. If you want to delete the offer, click Delete. Hope you were able to set your BOGO offer. If you still have questions, feel free to get in touch with us and we will guide you.